Hello everyone, welcome to another Crypto Cult video, and in today's video we will be covering the week 1 of Binance Airdrop Marathon. There are going to be a lot of airdrops coming from Binance. We will be covering all of them, to make sure that you are subscribed. The first one is the Dino Airdrop. So how do we do it? Let's go to the screen and find out. So this airdrop has no investment. So if you are worried about that, you can just participate in this, and the steps are here. The link will be in the description. So it is the Airdrop Marathon and the last date is 16th October. So please do it as soon as you watch this video. So what we need to do for step 1, we need to go to this app and connect our wallet, connect Discord and Twitter, and finish some simple social media tasks. So let's go to the link, let's connect our wallet, and we have logged in. Now we need to follow Age of Dino first. Let's follow, click on follow here, close it. Then we need to join their server, click on join, accept the invite, and we are in their Discord now. Let's complete the verification, accept and submit. Then let's close this. Now let's repost. Here we have reposted. Now next is liking the post. So let's click on like, and this is done. Now we just need to verify. So Twitter takes 1 minute roughly. So just wait for 1 minute, then refresh the page, and then you can click on verify after connecting your Twitter account. So let's authorize the app and verify on all of these. Now let's go to the next step, that is Q&A3 AI. So go to this link, finish the Twitter task. For the final task, go to this, finish the Twitter task first. So let's do it. First is follow, next one is reposting, and final one is voting. So let's visit here, connect your wallet, next connect, sign is the language. Now you need to vote for any of the questions you want. Let's vote for the top one, next, and should be done. Now click on verify, and all of them should be verified. Go back to the thread. Now let's go to the next step, that is QB swaps. Then we need to go to the link. Here we need to again finish Twitter and Telegram task. So let's do it quickly. First one is follow is done. Next is again follow BNB Chain on X. That's also done. Now we need to join their Telegram. So I'll just quickly connect my Telegram. And the final one is of a token swap. So let's visit, and we need to make any amount of token swap in QB swap to pass the test. So here is QB swap. Just connect your wallet here, next, and connect. Now if you go here, you will see that if you don't have any OP BNB, you need to bridge some from BEP20. So just go to this bridge and swap some BNB to OP BNB. So I'll swap some 0.001 OP BNB. Let's deposit, confirm, and the transaction was submitted. Now it takes a little bit of time, so wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Once that is done, go back to QB swap and again switch your network to OP BNB. Switch network, and now we need to wait for the BNB to arrive. So it has arrived now. Let's do a quick swap. I'll select this much amount. I'll click on swap, confirm the swap, confirm, and this transaction has been submitted. Again, wait for 1 minute for transaction to complete. Then go back to this site and you can click on verify. Now Telegram verification might take a little bit more time, so wait for it, and after 5 to 10 minutes you can click on verify again. Once all are verified, click on claim reward and you will be able to claim your reward. Confirm in your MetaMask and you will get this NFT. Once you have secured this, you can do this with all of them. So this one is waiting for the draw, and this one also you will get. And now this task is also complete. That concludes all these steps. This was a very quick airdrop. You just need to do a few swaps, and the total cost is, I guess, less than $1. Everyone can afford. So if you want to do these low cost airdrops from Binance, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because we will be covering all the airdrops in the Binance Airdrop Marathon. So please don't miss it. If you want to be the early ones to do it, you can join our Telegram channel, because we post there first. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next update.
गोरी पैग खींचे नीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट नो के सीन जैसे गिल्टीन रगो मैं बहरा निकटीन नशीला पदार्थ आज कश तुझको दूं पहला पफ मैं ले लूं चाहता मुझको खून बचले बेटा